Hello, one and all. It's Tanvi here. The whole world has stopped in the time period of this pandemic. When I, with my two friends Deshika and Kavya, and my mentor Saloni ma'am, thought to do something engaging and what we really enjoy as well. So we took a leadership and a challenge to take cooking workshops but online and invite our interested friends to attend and teach few recipes at this period. I and my peers were accelerated for the workshop and were aiming high for getting good responses. We had planned scrumptious recipes and gave a chance to the participants also to teach the best recipes. Like we made holy cake, peanut butter cups, burrito bowl and tiramisu. One person was teaching and whoever wished to also cooked along. We went as creative as we could by making the participants play quizzes on cooking in meantime and also shared some interesting facts related to cooking and that dish and put in all our efforts to make this project a success. There were some issues like dividing roles to each one, timings didn't match for collaborating, and there were such small problems. But we worked in a team and solved such issues by collaborating and calmly putting up our views and sorting the problem out. There's a big hand of our mentor Saloni ma'am who helped us solve every single thing coming between us by attending us when needed, solving every doubt of ours, by giving creative ideas to make this a great workshop and didn't let our hard work flow away. Thank you.